everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is another lip gloss DIY for you guys. It's a juicy red lip gloss, and before we get into all of this, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And to all of you oldie but goodies, welcome back. Okay, don't forget to like, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any other videos by me. So with all of that being said, let's get into this video. Hey everyone, welcome back again. So I am doing here today a beginner friendly. It's a personalized lip gloss that you can do for your own personal use. And right here I have like 20 grams of the Versagel base. I did add some wax to this, but this is totally optional. You don't have to do this because it's a beginner friendly demonstration. So yes, I have 20 grams of the Versagel, and then I have 4 grams of the citrine wax. So what I'm going to be doing today is a juicy red gloss with a bit of a glitter in it. And this is just if you want to do something for yourself home, or if you're starting a business, you would want to know how to go about doing that. And so you can just sit back, relax, and I'll show you how I go about doing this. So my first step in this is I'm going to be using some white lip liquid with this mixture. This is the first thing that I will be using, and this is totally optional. You can use mica white, and I'm just going to put some in this mixture. I do have a few videos on the lip liquid pigments. I will link some of them in this video. And you can go back and watch to see how I made some of those. I did sell them on Etsy, but now I don't have any in stock. So yeah, you can go back and watch those if you want to see how I did the mixture for the lip liquid pigments. So as you can see, it's giving me a cloudy white color right here, and the texture is absolutely amazing. Oh, I forgot, I added some of the polybutane in this also. And if you guys don't know anything about that, it's a thicker type of gloss, and it is a long lasting gloss. It's very sticky. It's not the Versagel, it's another type. It's also vegan, so you can go also and check that out at TKB. So yeah, so I just want my base to be this white base, which I always do this. I think it's more pigmented for the lip gloss in the end result. And then I'm going to be adding some pink mica and then some red lip liquid. This is the pink mica. I just added it because I want to give the red a little bit of a, what I should say is notch up the red color. So I'm going to add some pink to that. And if we need to add any more of it, we will do that as we go along. So this is what it's giving me right here. If you, you can put this in a 10mm tube. You can put this in two, well actually you can put this in 15mm, and then you can put this in two 12mm wand tubes. Like I said, it's just lip gloss for personal use, demonstration, if you're starting out. So that's the color it's giving there. So we're going to add the red lip liquid to this. So we're looking for a really red texture. Let's see, we're gonna have to add some more. Okay. And you can also use the mica instead of the liquid. The mica will be a bit more pigmented, I think. But I guess it's the ingredients that you are using yourself and these clay bases. So let's add some more to that. And that'll be it for that. Okay. As you can see, it has a nice firm texture. I'm going to be adding some oils, carrier oils to this, like little tad bits of grapeseed, vitamin E, and flavoring also. So this is what it's looking like now. It's really, really red, juicy red. I'm gonna add some of the highlight to this also. You guys know, if you've been watching me, I've been adding this to most of my glosses. Yes. So that's what it's giving off. And the glitter that I have to add in this also has those hues running through it. So this is pretty amazing gloss. So let me just add some flavoring to this. You can use flavoring of your choice. And we're gonna put some of this glitter in it. It's red with some colors running through it. It's lip glitter, very fine lip glitter. And this is from... I was thinking a moment that I got too much glitter in it, but it was not the case. Okay, this is the very fine lip glitter. And this is from, trying to remember, bulk glitter. So there you have it there. Yeah, so the texture is pretty amazing. It's very red and juicy, and I think you can get like 2 10mm tubes out of this, because as I added the ingredients or whatever to this, it became a bigger batch. So there you have that. So I'm going to do a demonstration of it so you guys can see. Let me just do a hand swap first, like my usual hand swap. As you can see, it's very pigmented. Very pigmented. I'm telling you, when you do your glosses this way, you don't miss on the pigmentation. It looks a bit orangey here, but it's very red. I think it's because of the lighting too, and it's very late in the evening. So